Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello. Just on one of the balconies, I'm at work, just stopped for a quick ciggy break, and it's fantastic what you can see from the balconies here. Three things I'm noticing: people, a bit of weather, and birds. Birds. They're everywhere, they're all over the place, they're almost attacking. Here's a little video on it all. We started off today with a beautiful clear day, and all this cloudiness has come in, and you can see across there, across in the ecran, it's yeah, pretty grey and black and cloudy, and we've had a wee bit of rain here the last hour or so, but a few people around, people getting ski shops, bike shops ready. There's guys here doing some testing or repairs or whatever on one of the lifts. Now, they don't normally run this lift in summer, so I don't know why they've got it prepared. You can see on the chairs, if I zoom right in, all the sort of grey paint spray marks. They check all the welds and stuff, and they paint them grey to make sure that they're known to be tested. And I don't know, normally that's only winter only, but we do have a mountain bike event, a World Cup event in the end of July, so maybe they're getting that one ready for that. But while all this is going on, there's just birds flying about everywhere. And as I've been standing on top of the balcony here, they just, they come flying past in close proximity as if they're trying to scare me, you know. Quite spectacular to see. Whoa. He's getting a speed up and coming back, I would say. Here he comes. Probably too difficult to see far away like that. That's him getting a height, getting a speed up, and coming in there. This guy's really having a go at me. Whoa. Now that last pass, he was only about a foot from the camera. I can't wait to see the slow-mo and zoom. It's difficult to know how far to zoom in with these. If I zoom in too much, I don't get them. If I don't zoom in enough, you don't kind of get the effect. But so one of those passes, he did come, that bird did come very, very close. So yeah, well, it kind of succeeded. Scared me a wee bit. I was looking at the viewfinder and not at the bird, and wow, the next thing it's there. So yeah, a little bit more mountain life on the balcony, on another balcony, not my usual one. So anyway, hope you like this. Just a quick video as I'm having a little break. And don't forget, subscribe, click the alert bell for notifications of further uploads from Max Mountain World. Remember, you can make comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. All the feedback is much appreciated. So until the next time, thanks again for watching. Ciao.